Good morning, welcome to At Home with Carla. This is some pictures of our grandson. He slept over last night, like I said in my previous video, and while their mom and dad went to the country jam. And he's so good. He didn't complain at all. He was always so easygoing and loved it. Well, here I'm making my salad for brunch, and it's so delicious. So chicken, cheese, some blueberries, a little bit of salad, and or salad dressing, and some lettuce, of course. But our daughter picked up Elijah, brought him home, and now I'm going to go out and clean up the camper a little bit and get ready for camping. We have so many dishes up in the cupboard that I'm just going to get rid of some of them. But thanks for watching. Well, I'm finally lighting the candle that my cousin gave me. I think it smells great, and I think this one's kind of hot to put back on there. Let's see here. Oh, it should be okay. And that's what she gave me. It's so pretty. Can't see the name on there, but flowers in the sun or something. It's beautiful. My next project is I'm cleaning out underneath here, and then I'm going to organize it. All of that was crammed down there, so I took the drawer out and I'm gonna clean that, and then I'm gonna clean under there, and then instead of having my cleaning supplies here, I'm gonna put it under the sink and clean this up. So that's my next project. I found this extra matting that has a rubber back on it. I'm going to cut it to fit it and put it in there. I think it'll look nice. I'm glad I found it. Alright, that was a pretty fast fix. I got that all cleaned out, and I put everything in a container, and then I have extra stuff back there like some bleach I don't want kids to get into, some oil, some extra hand soap, and my brushes for if I need to brush something. And so that's all done, and all the extra stuff I found is going downstairs on my extra shelf. I don't need all that stuff in there because I have it already in there. And my other thing that I'm working on is the dog's treats were always sitting back here, and so I put them all in the little bear cookie jar. So if they want a treat, then I can just open that up, get rid of all the bags, and excuse me, and do that. So getting a lot done today. I didn't plan on getting this all done, but got the floors done, the table cleared off pretty much, the dogs area where they slop up food and water. I got both aquariums done. Now I just have to bring some stuff downstairs. And another thing I found underneath the sink was these sticky tabs for mice, but I've been having an awful time with these little gnats. If you can see them, it's just terrible. And I'm hoping they'll just go outside or land on the sticky tab. I put honey in here. I think they're just having a blast in it and not getting stuck in it. So I'm feeding them. They're probably getting pretty big, but I did catch a couple on here. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, I think I'm just going to open up the house tonight and blow some fans out. Hopefully that will get rid of them. And this is all the dog food when we go on vacation. We just set some aside, so when our son comes over for feeding time, they get a special treat when we're gone. Otherwise, they have dry food, and my husband makes some eggs every night. So eggs is pretty cheap, good protein. Makes their fur pretty shiny. Yeah, and really soft. They're super soft. So that's awesome. But that candle that I'm burning, I love. I got it from my cousin, like I said, and it's smelling really good in here. Thank you, Jamie. It's going to be another salad day. We have so much salad in the refrigerator that's what it's going to be. More blueberries, more cheese, more chicken, and more lettuce. Delicious. Pretty close match. Quote of the day: there are two great days in a person's life. One is when we are born, and the other is when we discover why.